Hi, this is the CAD CAM Lessons channel and I help beginners learn CAD CAM software. You can find links to my training courses in the description of this video, and today I will show you pocket milling and contour milling operations based on a machining program generated in FreeCAD, which is a fully free CAD CAM system. In FreeCAD we can create our own 3D models, and based on these 3D models we can prepare toolpaths, and when it comes to preparing toolpaths we have 2D milling functionality. That is, we have available machining operations such as contour milling, pocket milling, drilling, hole milling or face milling. And if you are milling simple shapes, this may be quite enough. And despite the fact that FreeCAD is fully free, it has quite a lot of capabilities, and FreeCAD can be used commercially. And if you want to learn how to prepare machining programs for CNC milling machines in FreeCAD, then I encourage you to take my course, a link to which can be found in the description to this video. And now we will move on to running a simulation of this operation in FreeCAD, and then I will show you it on the CNC milling machine. And this was a simulation in FreeCAD, and in a moment I'll show you it on the CNC machine, but here I've prepared the outer contour machining, and we will also check how it looks on the simulation. And the second operation I've prepared is the contour machining operation, and we will also check how it looks on the simulation. And I'd like to remind you that if you want to learn how to prepare machining programs for CNC milling machines in FreeCAD, you will find a link to the training in the description of this video, and there you will also find the content and description of this training. Now let's move on to the CNC milling machine.